What's up, guys? We're back with another one. Got another Silverado from, I believe, Peralta, New Mexico. Check it out. Going with the well-done sunroof, primer roof, suede inside, blacked out plastics like the usual. I gotta work on it on this side because I am getting some new carpet put in on my house. So gotta do what I gotta do. Stay tuned for this video. This one's coming up on the bags for the homie Jesus. Here's the truck. I already started taking off the headliner. Start getting the center line on top. We'll cut this out, cut the back part out. This is good because it doesn't have the airbags cylinders, so it'll be a lot easier. Alright guys, just a little overlook. I said I already got it. Got the truck this morning. They dropped it off, started on it. Trying to see if I can get them back on the road as soon as I can. Right on. Alright guys, we got the sunroof installed, brackets welded, tack welded all the way around. We still got to grind it, do the body work. Here's the sunroof. We're going to go in and install the headliner. We can cut it out. That way it's ready cut out and ready to wrap in suede while we let the body work on top dry. There she is. Alright, we're going to put the headliner in, cut it out, make sure it's good, and go from there. Alright guys, we got the body work done. Some guide coat on top. It's ready to go. We're going to install the sunroof and bolt it down. Put the drains, all 4 drains, wire it up, and then start on the headliner. Alright guys, headliner's done. I'm going to go ahead and install it now. Looking good. I'm installing it. It's all done. Let's check it out.
Perfect.